Good afternoon, this is Tyler Williams, Nebraska Extension Educator in Lancaster County. Today we're going to talk about the El Nino and what is going on down in the Pacific and what impact that might have here in the Central Plains coming up this winter. Here you can see the extra warm water down in the eastern Pacific along the coast of South America, and as extends up further northward up along the Baja Peninsula, California, and up into Alaska. And that's the area of concern as we're looking towards the El Nino this year and what impact it might have moving forward. Here you can see the difference between the El Nino and the La Nina. You can see in the bottom picture we have the El Nino there showing the extra warm water along the equatorial Pacific. The above picture shows the La Nina, which has the below normal temperatures. What this does is this increases the convection along the equatorial area, which alters the upper atmospheric circulation and moves the jet stream around, which eventually comes to impact us. Here you can see the typical wintertime pattern during an El Nino. Warm air is considered in the northern part of the U.S., wet and somewhat cool air down in the southern part of the U.S. That's the altered jet stream typically sets up into this pattern. You know, with our different regime as far as the warm waters in the northern part of the Pacific, it might alter our typical pattern a little bit. You can see here the CPC is projecting above normal temperatures in the northern part of the U.S. and below normal in the southern part of the U.S. for the winter. Here's their precipitation outlook. Below normal precipitation in the northern pieces of the U.S. and then the southern part of the U.S. you can see that above normal precipitation. The biggest concern for Nebraska is that piece of above normal precipitation moving forward towards us up further from the south. This is the biggest area of concern and will definitely need to be the area that we keep a closer eye on as we get closer.